back to the channel. We're doing a dozer recovery. It's been stuck out there for about a week at this point, and they've tried to dig it out with the backhoe, but hydraulic lines are busted. So coming out here with the big, well, not big, but the bigger excavator here, and get this dug out, get a little ramp made, and pull them on out. It does run, but he blew a hydraulic line on the dozer blade, so he can't help push himself back either. So we're gonna have to dig this out and get him yanked out of here. It's like a miniature Dave Sparks recovery here. Alright, he had to go get the keys, but basically he was digging a hole, got stuck. It's been a week, it's been raining. He was digging with the backhoe, and most of this was out besides that little ramp that I pretty much dug out. But also, that doesn't have enough power to help pull that very much, so this excavator with the blade and everything be able to anchor down per se, and him getting in here and tracking it backwards should be able to pull this out. But yeah, just gotta wait for him to get the keys back out here and get this started up, and hopefully it just pulls on out. Do some pulling. Since I forgot my tripod, let me open up this window too. put the camera down. All right, dug out this side, a little bit more of an angle here. Try and get it scooted over onto the more hard pack stuff. Still hard to do it with one hand. I mean, oh, there goes the hook. There we go. It's been what, a week? It's out now. It looks like it got pinched. The hose, dirt probably pinched it off. Or is it the seal?
They rebuilt that for $400. And one was a hose load right here.
Yeah.
Down through here.
Got a lot of cleaning to do.
Let's see a block here. The block's broken, you can't buy it.
Looks like a fun little dozer. I might need to find one and take one up myself. Only one chain link broke on this recovery. But yeah, walk around on the Case 450. He said 1968.
I believe.
Yeah, he thinks. But it's about a 10,000 pound machine, which is the same as what the excavator is. So it's basically trying to pull its own weight out of a mud hole. And the whole center, you can see the tracks weren't really touching. It was just sliding on the center. Once we got this dug out where I could slide it a little easier, and then got the tracks onto the more hard pack, it was pretty good. Yeah, you got even more to clean up on this side.
Oh, that don't come with it?
Well, I mean, you got mud all the way up to here. That's it was stuck pretty good. I mean, at least you got most of the digging out done before I got here. We might have bent this a little bit to the side. You just gotta pull it the other way, straighten it back out, right?
Nope.
Next time you get stuck, you gotta pull that way.
I don't plan on getting it stuck again.
Yeah, nobody plans on it, but
Actually,
well, if you guys want to see more recovery videos, subscribe. I'm sure I'll find more later on. But yeah, hit the share button, share it with your friends.